Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting cars on the market. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA, a compact luxury sedan that continues to captivate car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The CLA has always stood out with its stylish design, advanced technology, and remarkable performance. And the 2025 model takes it a step further in every aspect. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA comes with a sleek, sporty exterior that effortlessly combines elegance with dynamic design elements. Its aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a presence that is hard to miss on the road. The car's compact size allows for easy maneuvering, making it ideal for urban environments while still offering the sophisticated look Mercedes-Benz is known for. The aerodynamically optimized shape not only enhances the car's aesthetic appeal but also improves fuel efficiency and overall performance. Under the hood, the 2025 CLA offers an array of powerful engine options that deliver an exhilarating driving experience. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces an impressive 221 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting dual-clutch transmission and offers a quick 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6 seconds. For those seeking more power and performance, the AMG CLA 35 variant takes things up a notch, with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 302 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-feet of torque, delivering even quicker acceleration and more dynamic driving characteristics. The higher performance AMG CLA 45 takes it to the extreme with a 382 horsepower engine that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Providing a thrilling ride for those who demand the ultimate in driving excitement. On the road, the 2025 CLA delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, with precise handling and a suspension setup that balances sportiness with everyday comfort. The car's front-wheel drive layout comes standard, with an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want added traction and stability in various driving conditions. The advanced suspension system ensures that the CLA glides over bumps and road imperfections, while the precise steering adds to the car's sporty feel, making it a joy to drive. Inside, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA is a tech lover's dream. The cabin features high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and a modern design that creates a sense of sophistication. The centerpiece of the interior is the dual 10.25-inch displays that provide a futuristic and seamless experience. These displays serve as the vehicle's digital cockpit, with one screen dedicated to the instrument cluster and the other acting as the infotainment system. The infotainment system is powered by the MBUX interface, which is intuitive and easy to use, offering features like voice recognition, navigation, and smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With the touchpad controller, you can effortlessly navigate through various menus and settings while keeping your focus on the road. In terms of safety, the 2025 CLA is equipped with an impressive array of standard and available safety features. The car comes with active safety technologies such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, the CLA offers an available driver assistance package that includes features like a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and a self-parking feature. With these features, the CLA ensures that drivers and passengers are well protected and confident on the road. When it comes to comfort and convenience, the 2025 CLA does not disappoint. The car offers a range of available amenities such as heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting with a wide range of customizable colors, and a premium sound system. The rear seats, though compact, provide decent legroom for passengers, making it a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. The trunk space is also practical, offering ample storage for luggage or other items, making the CLA suitable for weekend trips or daily commutes. The 2025 CLA is also designed to keep up with modern connectivity needs. With standard wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and the ability to connect your devices seamlessly, the CLA ensures that you stay connected wherever you go. The car also offers a suite of advanced driver assistance features that make long drives more relaxing, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode that allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the 2025 CLA, with the base model offering an estimated 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The AMG models, while offering higher performance, still maintain competitive fuel economy figures, making them suitable for both spirited driving and long-distance cruising without frequent trips to the gas station. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA is a standout in the compact luxury sedan segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or a car that delivers a thrilling driving experience, the CLA checks all the boxes. With its refined design, impressive performance options, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 CLA continues to uphold the Mercedes-Benz legacy while catering to the needs of modern drivers. If you are in the market for a compact luxury sedan that delivers on all fronts, the 2025 CLA is certainly worth considering. Thank you for watching today's review of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews, specs, and features, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Roadrunner.